We're going to change oil in a 2011 GMC Yukon Denali today. But first, we need to take care of this tire and push the $1 ranchero back. Let's get it. Alright, got the $1 ranchero pushed back. Got the Denali in here, so let's go ahead and change oil in this. Yeah, I'm about 2,000 miles over. Supposed to change it a while back, but we'll get to it right now. All right, look at my tools. I'll get back at you. All right, 1/2-inch ratchet. Our oil pan set up here. The oil filter is just right here next to the oil pan, so it makes it pretty convenient. Wow, it's on there tight. Had to move to the next big thing. Oh my gosh, that is ridiculous. I shouldn't be that tight on there. All right, we'll let that drain for a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and stick this plug back in while I get this oil disposed of. And get that oil filter taken off. Get it changed out. Alright. Let me get this taken care of and I'll get back at you. Alright, let's get this oil filter off here. That wasn't near as tight as that ridiculous plug. I'll just drain down for a second. Forgot my towels out there. Dang it. I'll let that drain down in there while I get my hands cleaned up. I'll get back at you. Anyways, that's what I use. Mobil 1. I really like that stuff, but I'm gonna prime this filter here by adding some oil in it. And then I'll take my finger and put a little on the gasket here for like a sealant. Yeah, get a nice tight seal when we put it on there. Alright, that's about done draining in there, so I'll get right back at you. Alright, looks like it's drained out for the most part. I'll go ahead and wipe off the excess and the seal ring there. Good seal. And here's the new primed filter. It's this is a 2011 GMC Yukon Denali, by the way. This is a gold filter. 7060 is the number on it. way I do is I put that on there about hand tight. And just give it a few little snugs, about, I don't know, half turn or so. Snug on there. Get off all this excess oil in here. We'll go ahead and fill the oil up, top it off. Get back at you in a minute. All right, let's get this oil in here. Again, Mobil 1, that's what I use. Use whatever, but it's gonna take 6 quarts to fill this up. So I put about a third of this quart into that oil filter a while ago. This oil seems a little thin for this. It's a 6.2 in here, 5W30 is what it calls for. I would assume 5W20 at least. That's what my Mustang takes anyway. I would assume it would at least be 520. But just going with the specs on it. Last one. That's pretty well it. See you on the next one.